Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Quick guide. In today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Netspend Disbursement account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and bring up the search bar and type in Netspend Disbursement, login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.mynetspend.com. Just click on that first link. Now guys, you'll be directly taken to the register page of Netspend. Over here guys, you just need to enter your card number. Similarly, enter your security number over here, and once you click on continue button, you'll be easily access your account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.